Whenever we think about hydrogen flight, it reminds us of the terrible crash of German passenger airship Hindenburg in 1937. Hydrogen, due to its high inflammable nature, requires ultra-strong and big tanks to store it. But a team of young scientists from Imperial College in London has developed a drone that can carry a lightweight cylinder that stores the hydrogen for flight. The cylinder is prepared from aluminum, and hydrogen inside the cylinder would remain in the solid state. The hydrogen-powered drone can carry heavier loads and fly further than a battery-powered drone. Scientists hoping that the hydrogen flights could be the future of Airways and could be used to deliver medicine and relief aid in disaster-affected areas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steamdaily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.